Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate AWS Secrets Manager for application secrets rotation, complete guide step by step clearly. To start using AWS Secrets Manager for application secrets rotation, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Secrets Manager service from the Services menu. Click on Store a new secret. Choose the type of secret you want to store. For example, select Other type of secret for custom application secrets. Enter the key value pairs for your secret, such as API keys or database credentials. Click on Next to proceed to the next step. Provide a name for your secret in the secret name field. Optionally, add a description to help identify the secret's purpose. Select any necessary tags to categorize your secret. Click on Next to continue. In the next section, you will configure rotation for your secret. Check the box to enable automatic rotation. You will then need to create a Lambda function for the rotation process. If you don't have an existing Lambda function, click Create a new Lambda function. Fill in the details for your new Lambda function, including a name. Select a runtime, such as Python or Node.js. In the function code section, specify the logic that handles the rotation of your secret. Ensure that your Lambda function has the necessary permissions to access Secrets Manager and any relevant resources. Once you've set up your Lambda function, return to the Secrets Manager configuration. Specify the frequency for rotating your secret, such as every 30 days. Click on Next to review your settings. Double-check all the information to ensure accuracy. If everything looks good, click on Store to save your secret and rotation settings. You will see a confirmation message indicating that your secret has been created successfully. To test the rotation, you can manually invoke your Lambda function using the AWS Lambda console. Check the Secrets Manager console to ensure that the secret has been updated accordingly. Monitor the logs in CloudWatch to troubleshoot any issues that arise during the rotation process. Your AWS Secrets Manager is now set up for application secrets rotation. You can manage and update your secrets anytime through the Secrets Manager console. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.